Don't give up. Help your buddy pull the bird turd. You got one little ant, and he's pulling that whole turd by himself. Wow, that's a strong ant. Or he's really hungry for some bird turd. Why is his homie just... Oh, now his homie's gonna help him. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, now grab it. Now call your other homie. Come on, homie. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Everyone. Come on, everyone. Let's take this bird turd home. Yay! We got dinner for a year. Yay! Do you want to see some of the weirdest shit? Yeah, check this out. I'm actually taping. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. There's these 3 ants and they're dragging a bird turd.
A what? Egg? Oh shit.